This message was transmitted by the request of the New York City Police Department. Multiple reports say that the purple creature with 3 eyes was spotted floating in the city. Well, it should be inner flame candle when police figure out it's her. If you see the purple creature, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on the situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the New York City Police Department. Police are getting information about the creature. She can burn everything with her firepower. But no, this creature is not inner flame candle. This creature is believed to be named Candle Queen. Candle Queen is dangerous and should be not approached. If you see Candle Queen, call 911.
Hello everyone, welcome to the United States News. I'm Nathan Stevens, and this is an update to Candle Queen, who is burning buildings at her path. Here's the picture of her sitting on a throne. Dang, she is the queen I have never seen in my entire life. But anyways, all residents must stay away from Candle Queen as she could burn you alive. That's all I have for now. This is Nathan Stevens, signing off.
This message was transmitted by the request of the New York City Police Department. A giant white dinosaur was spotted running towards Candle Queen. We think that Indominus Rex from Jurassic World is going to stop Candle Queen from burning the buildings. Indominus Rex needs more dinosaurs to help her to stop Candle Queen. That includes Therizinosaurus, Dilophosaurus, and a baby velociraptor named Beta. Wait, why did Blue had a baby? Did she love her so much? Anyways, all residents must remain calm, as the dinosaurs are going to stop this creature. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation. This is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participate will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operation Handbook for the national level emergency. The President of the United States or his destination represented over the emergency alert system. Please stand by, please stand by, please stand by. We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public consigned areas. You are listening to the New York City area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line will keep the emergency alert system. We will continue to the New York City area. If you're not in the New York City area, turned out station providing news and information to the public consigned areas. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed. The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. And purple asteroid is coming straight for us. The cause was from Candle Queen. Also, a bird-like dinosaur was helping the others. His name is Quetzalcoatlus from Jurassic World Dominion. NASA is figure out how to destroy the purple asteroid. All residents of the United States, shelters in place immediately. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phone, chargers, and battery power radio with extra batteries. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation.
Welcome back to the United States News. I'm Nathan Stevens, and we have some breaking news that NASA has destroyed the purple asteroid. Candle Queen has spawned zombie pugs around New York. All residents of New York must lock all of your doors immediately, as the zombie pugs will kill you. Right now in New York City is my reporter Zera. Zera, are you here?
Yes, Nathan, I'm currently down here right now. There is absolute mayhem right now. The zombie pugs are attacking everyone that's in their path with their zombie bites. Indominus Rex needs to do something to get rid of the zombie pugs and more people were all killed by Candle Queen. She does look like a lit wax candle from Inanimate Insanity. I wish those pugs would go back to normal, but I can't not. All residents of New York City, wherever you are, lock all of your windows doors immediately. This is not going to end well, and is not going to be pretty. Oh my god, I see a zombie pug staring at me and now it's charging at me. I need to get out of here now.
Oh no. Zera has been killed by a zombie pug. But anyways, all residents must stay away from the zombie pugs as they could bite you and face certain death if you do so. That's all I have for now. This is Nathan Stevens, signing off.
This message was transmitted by the request of the New York City Police Department. All clear, I repeat, all clear. As you know why the song is playing, well, it's from Candle Queen. Anyways, Candle Queen and the zombie pugs has been killed by the dinosaurs. Thanks to Therizinosaurus, Dilophosaurus, Indominus Rex, Beta, and Quetzalcoatlus. All residents of the United States, you can get out of your shelters. However, it could take a long time to repair the damage that Candle Queen and the zombie pugs. Normal programming will now resume.
The Candle Queen.